Welcome back, everyone. I know this video has been way long overdue, and I apologize for that. I've been pretty busy in my personal life, and I just haven't really had too much time to edit this. But essentially, this video is just us finishing taking off fenders and remaining bits and pieces of the truck, including the bed, to gain better access to the frame. This video is going to be kind of long just due to the tedious nature of the process of, removing everything before we can, actually get to the fun part, which is, building this truck back up. Since this video was recorded a while ago, we've actually worked on the truck more. In next video, you will see us stripping the frame down and attempting to paint it.
The bed bolts have been really stubborn so far, and I actually managed to completely snap one off.
Made by Donovan.
From here, I'm going to continue. I'll probably drop the gas tank first, siphon whatever gas is left out of there, and then continue taking off the brake lines and fuel lines.
Hey, yo!
Oh, here's the fuel pump. So I just dropped the gas tank. As we dropped it, we started to see where some of the real rust has started developing on this truck. Bar right here is completely rusted out. Now we're gonna lift the back end of the truck, pull the gas tank out. All right, so now that we have the truck back in the air, I'm gonna get the rest of the exhaust off and then continue pulling the harness, brake lines, and fuel lines. I forgot to show you guys the rocker panels. The video got corrupted and I couldn't post it. This is what we're dealing with for rocker panels on both sides. We're
Made by Donovan.
All right, so now I'm going through the rest of the truck and I'm gonna pop the rest of these little clips that hold the harness in. Remove that fully from the truck. That shit in my eye. You might ask why I don't have my glasses on. Look at that. That's completely devoured. Holy. Taking this thing off. I don't know what it's called. Something to do with fuel. It's the right way, which is probably the easy way, and then there's the hard way, which is my way.
The bumper pretty much wraps everything up on the teardown of the truck, and next episode you will see us tackling some of this paint and rust on the frame. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you next episode.